It was a nice, beautiful day, but then the sound was interrupted by a boy that is being a totally goofed off boy in this fine morning and interrupted this whole scenery.
Thomas!
Thomas, I know you've been doing content. I know how everyone should love you, but just go to over there. Even you, Percy. Also, I don't feel like Thomas and Friends is not my thing anymore. Every time I tried to do a Thomas content, it just looks awful. So, what's the best thing to do? Quit Thomas and Friends. And also, I will explain, and also, one day, I will do things that trigger Thomas fans! And also use this phrase, why? Why?